Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and support. I don't take them for granted, okay? So guys, in today's video I'll be giving a shout out to two of my amazing subscribers, Ifi Ugochukwu and Evis the Great. Okay, these two amazing people, they joined my membership last week. So if you would love to gain a shout out from me, you can kindly join our membership, go through it. There's a lot of benefits, and also if you love to support my channel, you can kindly super chat or super thanks me. It will be well appreciated. Okay guys, I need all the love and support. All right, as you can see, we are trying to grow this channel. Please always share my videos so it will get to a wider audience. Like my videos, watch from the beginning to the end. Okay, so guys, let me show you the ingredients which I use to make this creamy body butter. Like guys, this is definitely a must try recipe. Okay, there's no chemical, everything is organic, and it's kids friendly. Okay, it's very good for kids. Let's get started. I'm a fool for your love. So guys, these are all of our ingredients. Okay, so like I said before, we are not using too much. We are just using 3 ingredients. So in here I have raw shea butter. Okay, raw shea butter. So these are olive oil, organic olive oil. Yeah, this was the container I used to buy it. So as you can see, there's no label on it. This is handmade olive oil. And we also have our organic cold press coconut oil. Can you see this coconut oil? Everywhere is very hot, but it's still taking like this. So this organic coconut oil. So I'll be telling you the benefit of these 3 oils. Coconut oils help to keep the skin smooth and hydrated. It is loaded with natural fat and anti-inflammatory properties and helps you in several ways. You may use coconut oil for skin issues and improve its texture and appearance. And olive oil has many benefits for the skin. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids, which helps to moisturize and nourish the skin. Olive oil has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce skin redness, irritation, and inflammation. Shea butter has healing properties, so it can work for a variety of skin conditions such as eczema, burns, stretch marks, and more. Because shea butter helps with skin irritation, it can also be soothing on wounds and rashes because of its highly moisturizing and antioxidant properties. Can you see guys? All those ingredients are very good on the skin. So these are set up. These all of our ingredients. I'll be needing an empty bowl which is this white one. I'll need to transfer all of the ingredients inside this bowl, and this other bowl I'll need to pour in the hot water, so because we need to dissolve all the oil. Okay, so these are hand mixer. If you have the electric one, fine, you can use that. So these are towel. I'll use this to cover the ingredients inside the bowl when I place the bowl inside the hot water, so that it will dissolve easily. So these are all of our ingredients and the things I'll be using for this recipe. So right now I've transferred all the oil into a bowl. Then I'm boiling hot water already. I'll transfer the hot water inside this bowl. Then I'll place the bowl in which I have all of the oil inside the hot water. Then I'll use this towel to cover it so it will dissolve easily. After some few minutes, as you can see, all the shea butter and the coconut oil is well dissolved. Make sure to stir it very well. Then you take it out from the water. Allow it to sit so that it will cool down for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then you transfer this oil into the freezer, not the fridge, inside the freezer, okay, so that it will be solid. As you can see, the hole there, I just dip my hand inside to see how solid it is. Okay, we don't want this to be too solid. Okay, make sure your hands can penetrate inside. Then you bring it out. We start mixing, like whisking it. So I'm using a manual mixer, like I said before. If you have the electric one, perfect, you can use that. Make sure to whisk very well, okay, because we want it to be fluffy. If you don't whisk it very well, it will not come out smooth. You see that fluffiness and everything. So you have to whisk this very well, okay. I didn't even show everything, but you have to whisk it very well. And if you want it to be easy for you, make sure your oil is not too solid. Make sure it's not too solid. Make sure you are monitoring it when you place it in the freezer. Like I said, immediately your hands can enter inside, like your finger can enter inside, then you know that okay, it's ready. But if it's too solid, it will be difficult for you to mix it. So our body butter is ready. Can you see this, guys? This cream is very good. It's a must try recipe. It's very good for your kids. It maintains their natural color. There's no chemical, no preservative, nothing. Everything is natural. I've been using this cream for myself for a very long time, for years, and I'll be using it for my kids as well. So guys, make sure to try this. But if you feel like adding any other oil of your choice, you can go ahead and do that, okay. You can also check out other of my videos. I have some recipe about body butter. You can also check that and watch to learn more. Okay guys, thank you so much. Please give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, share my video, subscribe. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye.